Hello friends, when it comes to bathroom design, do you think it is just about choosing tiles and a wash basin? Think again. Because inside every well designed bathroom, there are not just 5 or 10 things to think about. There are over 100 plus elements to consider. From layout to lighting, from waterproofing to niches. And trust me, one wrong step and the entire bathroom might need to be broken and redone. I am going to divide this content into 3 videos. In the first video, we will cover layout, and in second and third video, we will cover design themes, material selection, and execution tips. I am sure after watching these 3 videos, you will have everything you need to build a bathroom that is practical and Pinterest worthy. Part 1, Layout. What makes or breaks your bathroom? Shower partition. A common question people ask is, what is the minimum space needed for a shower cubicle? Ideally, you should have at least 2.5 feet, that is 3 inches in width. But here is a more practical test. Stand inside the space and fully open your elbows. If they touch the walls, the space is too tight and uncomfortable. Pro tip: if you are dealing with a small bathroom and glass partitions are hard to clean, then go for shower curtain. It is low maintenance, cost effective, and gives you more flexibility in compact spaces. Wash basin platform. The minimum recommended width for a wash basin counter is 2 feet 6 inches, that is 30 inches. However, make sure the depth is at least 16 to 18 inches to ensure comfortable and practical use. WC area. The minimum space required for a WC, that is toilet, is 2 feet 6 inches, that is 30 inches in width. However, here is where many people go wrong, placing the WC too close to a side wall. Always ensure there is at least 10 to 11 inches of space between the edge of the seat and the adjacent wall. This allows enough room for your legs and ensures comfortable seating. Ideal bathroom size. When you combine all 3 functional zones, that is 2.5 feet for the shower, 2.5 feet for the basin, and 2.5 feet for the WC, you will need a minimum width of 7.5 feet. So a bathroom size of 7 feet by 5 feet is considered ideal. If that is not feasible, a layout of 6 feet by 6 feet is still workable. You can definitely design a beautiful and functional bathroom even in spaces smaller than 6 feet by 6 feet. But in such cases, it is a great idea to consult a designer to help optimize the layout. Niches and storage tips. A niche is a small recessed space in the wall, perfect for storing shampoo bottles, soaps, or even for adding decorative items. Always make horizontal niches, not vertical ones. They look better and are more practical. Ideal height is up to 1 feet. That is enough for shampoo and other toiletries. Leave 6 inches of space from both ends of the wall to give the niche a neat framed look. Add LED profile lights for a premium finish. Important: if it is in a wet area like a shower, only use IP65 waterproof LED lights. Tip for behind WC, that is toilet. You can also add a niche or a ledge behind the WC. Make sure it is at least 6 inches deep so it is actually usable. Drain channel planning. Don't skip this. This is one of the most common mistakes in bathroom renovations. Here is what usually goes wrong. People first install the drain trap and then later buy the drain channel. But the outlet positions don't match, so the floor has to be broken again to fix it. The right way to do it: first buy the floor drain channel of your choice, then give it to your plumber before any installation. Ask them to place the trap exactly below the outlet of the drain channel. This small step will save you a lot of time, money, and a mess later. We will cover design themes, material selection and execution tips in next videos. So friends, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.